All right. Hey, you guys. So, I wanted to show you how to use an app called Friendly to be able to download video, photos, and stuff like that off of Facebook. And especially like if you are in a group or a team or something. Just keep in mind though, if you are using this app, please do not use it for any malicious intentions, like downloading videos and groups, that are private, because that does violate the rules. So just be mindful of that and use it for the right reasons. So the first thing you'll want to do is go down to the App Store, whichever one you have, and download Friendly. Okay, it looks like this. Follow the download instructions. And then, so for example, this happens to be a group that I'm in where she posts content and then allows us to download and use it for like our personal use and stuff like that. But the other thing that you can do is if you are, for example, if you are part of my personal team, or maybe, you want to do content for a team or something, what you can do is you can actually have content in here like this. And then what you're going to do is when you open up Friendly, the app, okay, so you're just going to click Friendly, the app like that. And then when you go to the search bar, type in the name of the group that you're looking for. So we'll go to search. And for example, I'm going to type in Content Creators Elite. Okay, so I'm going to go visit this group. Now, what you'll notice in the upper corner here is there is like this little download thing, and it's gonna show you eventually, once it loads, all of the media available for download on that one, okay? Or if you know specifically which one you want to download, you can scroll down to it, and on the bottom right hand corner of whatever you're looking for, there should be that little down arrow, and then it'll tell you like this video, where then you can click download, save to photos, and it will download it, and it makes it so simple. Another really great application for this tool is if you are downloading, like for example, if you need graphics, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you need promo videos. One of the other things that I do is I go in and I can actually go into like our, let's see here, like if I go into like the main group, I can go in there if I can find it. Here we go. And then like if there's video or like company video or graphics and things like that, this makes it really, really friendly and easy for me to be able to go in and download some of these so that I have them available for myself. But again, just make sure that you are staying within the guidelines of the privacy policies and you're not downloading anything that you shouldn't be. All right. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. And I'm curious to see how you use the Friendly app, if it works for you. And remember, if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to go ahead, give it a thumbs up and click on subscribe so that you can get more tips to design your life and business. Thanks for watching.